Hey there! Ever wondered how to join wood without using screws or nails? Well, you're in luck! Today, I'll show you a neat trick to do just that. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to join wood pieces by fitting them together with glue. It's a fantastic method that works just as well as screws and nails, and I'll walk you through every step of the process. Watch closely as I connect 4 different wood pieces. It's important to ensure that the spots where you make your cuts are as smooth as possible before adding the glue. This way, the pieces will fit together seamlessly. Check this out. Precision is key, so make sure your measurements are spot on. With millimetric accuracy, the pieces will come together perfectly. Think you can do this yourself? Of course you can. Just follow along and you'll be a pro in no time. I make sure the cuts are flawlessly smooth and then it's time to apply the glue. It's really that simple. Enjoyed this video? Make sure to like and follow Board Panda for more awesome crafting tips.